Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to delve into the world of stocks and everything you need to know about them. If you're interested in investing your money, stocks are definitely worth considering. But what exactly is a stock? A stock represents a share in the ownership of a company. When you purchase a stock, you're effectively buying a small piece of the company and becoming a shareholder. As a shareholder, you're entitled to a portion of the company's profits and have a say in major decisions, such as electing board members and approving company actions. One of the biggest advantages of investing in stocks is the potential for high returns. Over the long term, stocks have historically provided better returns than bonds or savings accounts. Cut to host. Additionally, stocks offer the opportunity for growth and capital appreciation. As a company grows and becomes more valuable, the value of your stock will also increase, providing you with a potential profit. Of course, there are also some disadvantages to consider. One of the biggest is the risk involved. Stocks are subject to market fluctuations, and the value of your stock can go down as well as up. Another disadvantage is the lack of guaranteed returns. Unlike bonds, there's no guarantee that you'll receive a set return on your investment. There are two main types of stocks: common stock and preferred stock. Common stock gives you a voice in the company and a share of its profits, while preferred stock typically provides a fixed dividend, but you have no voting rights. And there you have it, a basic overview of stocks. If you're thinking about investing in stocks, it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor to help you determine if it's the right investment option for you. However, before you start investing in stocks, it's crucial to educate yourself about the stock market. There are many resources available, from books and websites to online courses and workshops. Take the time to learn about the different types of stocks, market trends, and investment strategies. Cut to animation showing the process of buying stocks. When you're ready to start investing, you can purchase stocks through a brokerage firm. You'll need to open a brokerage account, which will allow you to buy and sell stocks online. You can also consult with your financial advisor, who can help you choose the right stocks to meet your investment goals. It's also important to have a long-term investment approach when it comes to stocks. Don't make impulsive or emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Instead, focus on creating a well-diversified portfolio that's aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Patience and discipline are key when it comes to investing in stocks. Don't panic during market downturns and don't try to time the market. Stick to your investment strategy, even during volatile times, and remember that slow and steady wins the race. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time, happy investing.